Hello everybody, today is Tisha B'Av. Me and Effie traveled to a UPS store in Queens in order to get our fingerprints fingerprinted for an FBI clearance. Effie, why do we need an FBI clearance?
It's on the Nefesh B'Nefesh list of things we need to take care of.
There's no better way to plan, have a Tisha B'Av, than to make plans for Aliyah. And hopefully, Amir Tashem, this will be our last Tisha B'Av in the diaspora.
So Shaya just gave a great shiur in shul on one of the kinnas about moving to Eretz Yisrael and the importance about it. As I was listening to it from home on the live stream, I thought it was so inspiring. Shaya's going to attach the link to the shiur below, right Shaya?
Put it in the link.
It's all about how we really need to think about moving to Israel. And as you all know, we've been thinking about this and we're making headway every day. And now today seemed like the perfect day after listening to that shiur to actually go get fingerprinted and continue this process. So we're waiting on a long line in the sweltering heat, but it's going to be great. Whenever I have my mask on, I can never tell if my glasses are on or not. Anyways, so this is the fingerprinting kiosk. So we've registered at home. We have QR codes. I'm going to put it in. Okay, got the QR code. Do your date of birth. This one's mine, right? Wait for a technician. So,
hello, you
Alberto.
too? Yes.
He's helping us out, the man.
Okay, so hold on. I think this is still you.
Yeah, this is. License. I need my license and passport.
Effie's holding it up for me. She's holding it up for me. You always need someone to put in the information for me. You don't want to do it yourself. It's good to come with someone. This way they can do it for you.
Oh, you gotta do yours now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, I finished mine. Mine went well.
Oh wow, yeah, that was pretty quick.
Smooth sailing.
I was just coming.
Got lucky.
I was coming to check and make sure.
I'm sure now will take quadruple as long because, like, you know, that's always how it goes.
That's usually how it goes with couples.
Yeah.
That's right.
Left hand.
Mom's gotta push down. You gotta push down hard. You gotta push down hard. Whew. Broke my thumbs over there.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished. So happy we did it. On our way to Eretz Yisrael.
Yeah.
Every little kvetch you go through is a mitzvah. Incredible. Incredible.
We were just in Laurelton getting fingerprinted and figured, how could we not stop by here?
We realized that we were so close to the Ohel that we're going to need all the help we get and all the bracha we could to make Aliyah and to move our family with all the challenges that's going to have. So, we made our stop at the Ohel. One of the things I'm actually going to miss about the States, probably one of the only things, is going to the Ohel. It's amazing. The Rebbe is right here.
Not one
it's
of
incredible.
the only things. Come on.
All right, not one of the only things. A little bit harsh.